Top 5 Most Amazing Beaches in Portland. Portland is a more rustic parish, which thankfully allows for a picturesque beach scene. Beaches in Portland are as scenic as they come, and you will feel like you have walked onto a tourism site. However, be mindful that some beaches on the list are public, while others are private and might require an entrance fee. But these beaches would not have made the list if the money was not worth it. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 5. Sunnyside Beach. 7 miles outside of Port Antonio and near Frenchman's Cove is a private beach with a narrow but lengthy shore called Sunnyside Beach. The waters are usually calm and good for your next fishing, scuba diving or windsurfing adventure. It's bookable with the people that work there. There is also a variety of small reefs just offshore, making for a great snorkeling experience. And if you're really the adventurous type, feel free to venture out to Monkey Island. This island has so many names, and see mansion ruins from a colonial past. A word of warning, as shallow as those waters are to the island, it would be safer to rent a boat and avoid sea urchins. Sunnyside is in the nicer parts beyond Port Antonio, so villas are available for rental in case you want more time to enjoy the beach. Overall, go to Sunnyside if only for a day outside of the city. Number 4. Long Bay Beach. As a disclaimer, I will point out that there is another Long Bay in Negril because I guess names were scarce. For the one on the other side of the island in Portland and the longest beach in the parish, you can expect a crescent bay of soft sand, palm trees, azure waters and possible surf spot. In short, yes, it's supposed to resemble a brochure. Not far from Boston Beach and the Jerk Center, the shore is also dotted with beach bars and vendors to provide you with refreshments to savor your beach day. Number 3. Frenchman's Cove. Frenchman's Cove is more than your run-of-the-mill beach. With over 40 acres of remote, white sand and crystal clear water, you can enjoy more on your day at the beach. The cove itself is a pure water river that empties into the salty Caribbean Sea. So when the water is too strong at sea, there is always the Plan B River with a swing. The scenery from the pavilion is the perfect backdrop for weddings, yoga retreats, and a beach trip. And a beach day is no fun on an empty stomach, so they serve food there. There's a wide selection: jerk chicken, steamed fish, burgers, fries, rice at a supposedly reasonable price. However, it's a private beach, so please account for things like admissions and share rentals when you plan your trip there. Number 2. Boston Beach. You've probably heard of the Boston Jerk Center, and this is just a neighborhood beach for when you want a view while eating your jerk chicken or pork. However, this beach is also great for water sports such as surfing, snorkeling, and windsurfing, and as equipment rentals. Of course, you will have to hope for days when the water isn't so choppy. But if you aren't into activities and just want a day to relax on the beach, you can do exactly that. It's a small family-friendly beach with top-notch food and beauty you can't help but enjoy all day. Number 1. The Blue Lagoon. Popular for its still waters that change shades throughout the day, Blue Lagoon is more of an oasis than a beach. A mixture of fresh water and salt water. Blue Lagoon is open to the sea but fed by freshwater springs. Legend used to say that the lagoon was bottomless, however it's 180 feet. And it's home to a sea creature, which we haven't even found yet. In reality, it's just open waters that you can swim around in or enjoy a boat tour while absorbing the surrounding green flora. Imagine how beautiful it must be to have featured in a film that gave it a name change. Thanks to Brooke Shields. And thanks to you guys for joining me again. It's been a pleasure. Remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking that blue bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates.